Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take 12th point. Al, X and vowel signs. You know, in Arabic, kitabun means a book. Al-kitabu means the book. Now, for a book or any book, it is just an additional sound at the end which may be skipped. For example, if you want, you can say kitab. You don't have to say kitabun. But when it comes to the book, you have to say al-kitab. You can't read it without saying al. So, this letter is added to convey the importance of the definite article the. That is, you add things according to necessity. Not only that, signs tell you more. For example, al-kitabu when it comes as a subject, al-kitaba when it comes as an object, al-kitabi that is after preposition or to show the relationship. See, the signs tell you so much information. Let's add one more thing. Kitabun, as you have seen, means a book. But kitabu means book of. You have to see something next to that. For example, kitabullahi, the book of Allah. After talking about general and specific, let's talk about an unknown quantity in maths, in algebra, to be specific. By the way, algebra is from an Arabic word, al-jabr, a system for reconciling disparate parts. To represent an unknown quantity, we have the famous x in maths. Everybody has been through it. For example, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. That x has come from Arabic. You know, actually Arabs called it as shay. Shay means something. The sound ish was not there in Spanish when they translated it, and they used X of Greek. By the way, the Western Renaissance came from Spain, and Spain got it from Arabs, and Arabs got it from the Quran and Islam. Ultimately, the credit goes to Allah, our Creator. So this X of Greek went to Latin and then to English, and till today we have it as X in algebra and in almost all world languages. You can get more information in the TED Talk of just 4 minutes by Terry Moore. You want to know more? Subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/user/understandquran. Wassalamu alaikum.